Watermarks play a critical role in ensuring the integrity and authenticity of your surveillance footage. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of adding a watermark to both live video feeds and recorded footage in Banalytics VMS, a versatile, manufacturer-independent software that allows you to build a customized surveillance system using cameras from different brands and types. For this demo, we'll be using an ONVIF camera that already has a video capturing task configured. You can find a link to the tutorial on configuring the video capturing task in the description below. To add a watermark, go to the Capture Video task under the camera settings. Then, click the Watermark task option in the bottom right corner to access the configuration menu. Let's configure the watermark settings step by step. Restart on failure. Choose how the system should respond if an error occurs. The default is a 10-second delay before automatically restarting the task. Place. This setting lets you select where the watermark will appear on the video frame. Show source. Toggle this option if you want the camera's name displayed along with the watermark. Show timestamp. Enable this option to display the date and time in the watermark. Show time zone. This option adds the time zone to the watermark, useful for cross-region monitoring. Show details. Enable this option to show the configured image size and frame rate, FPS, in the watermark. Custom text. You can add any custom text, such as camera IDs, location names, or other relevant information. Date format. Select your preferred date format. Invert color. Automatically invert the text color to improve visibility against varying backgrounds. Font. Choose the font style for the watermark text. Font scale. Select the font size. Be cautious with large sizes, as they might cause errors if the camera resolution can't support it. Font thickness. Adjust the thickness of the text as needed. You'll now see the watermark task listed under the video capturing task. To activate the task, click the play icon. You can configure different watermarks for different cameras. Some cameras may have their own default watermark. To fix this, go to the camera's web interface and disable the camera's watermark. Now, you should see only the watermark you've configured in Banalytics. And that's it.